You've probably seen those cute dancing baby AI videos all over social media. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these videos using free AI tools. I'll show you everything so that even if you're a beginner, you will be able to follow along without getting confused. The best part, you can do this 100% free. Now, let's get right into it. The first step is to create the baby image. I'll show you two free AI tools you can use to generate the baby image. Open ChatGPT on your phone or computer, tap the plus sign, and upload any image you want to turn into a baby version. It can be your photo, it can be a celebrity photo, or any image you like. After uploading your image, type in your prompt. The prompt is just the instruction you give the AI. So type in convert this image into a 3D baby character in 9 to 16 aspect ratio. Once you have typed in your prompt, click on the send button and wait for the ChatGPT to generate the baby image for you. Now the baby image is ready and you can see how ChatGPT transformed the original photo into a cute baby version. If you like the result, go ahead and save the image to your phone or computer. But if you still want to get different styles and options, you can ask ChatGPT to make her wear a cute traditional Nigerian outfit and position her standing inside a Nigerian village compound. Include a rustic hut and a tree clearly visible in the background. Style her hair beautifully and decorate it with colorful beads to reflect Nigerian culture. Click on send and wait for the image to generate. Alright, you can see how cute the image looks. With this way, you will have many different images to choose from later. Now, the second AI tool you can use to generate your image is Gemini AI. To do that, tap on the plus sign, click on gallery, and upload the image. Type in the scene prompt, convert the image to 3D baby character in 9 to 16 aspect ratio. Click on done and wait for the image to generate. Wow, look at the image Gemini AI created for us. Super cute, right? So it's either you use ChatGPT or Gemini AI, all 100% free. Now that we have created our baby image, the second step is to get a dance video or music. Go to TikTok and find a short dance video you like and download it to your device. I have already downloaded mine. Step 3 is to animate the baby image. And now let's make the baby dance. Open One AI in your browser. Now sign in with your Google account as a new user. If you're using your phone, please switch to desktop mode so that all the features will show properly. Once you're successfully logged in, it takes you directly to this workflow interface. This is the main dashboard where everything happens. At the top left corner of the screen, you will see the generate icon. Go ahead and click on it. Then look below the menu options right here and select avatar. Under the avatar section, click on photo animate. Next, click on character to upload the baby image you created with ChatGPT. Once the image uploads successfully, click on video to upload your TikTok reference video. At this stage, if your reference video is longer than 15 seconds, you will need to trim it down. One AI requires a shorter clip for proper processing. you will see the generate icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now, because I'm generating this video with 0 credits, I have to wait a little longer for the final result to process. Even though it takes longer on the free plan, the results are usually amazing. But if you want your videos to generate faster, then go for the paid plans options. However, if you're not ready to spend money right now, that is completely fine. Right now, the only free AI tool I have personally found that can mimic motions and properly turn images into dancing baby videos is One AI. This is the only free tool I have used that gives really good results without forcing you to pay after 1 or 2 trials. I've tested several other free AI tools that can claim they can mimic motions, but honestly, the results were not good. Some of them barely follow the dance movements. Some only allow me to generate one video before asking me to upgrade to a paid plan. So if you're someone who prefers free tools and you want something you can use over and over again without limit, then One AI is your best option for now. It's free, it is unlimited, and the quality of the result is actually very impressive for a free tool. And that's by the way, our dancing baby video is ready and you can see how good the final result looks. It came out so good and the baby copies the exact dance moves from the reference video. Now, to save your video, simply go to the top right here and click on the download icon to download the video to your device. I muted the background music because I do not want to run into any copyright issues. You can now upload this video in your TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might enjoy creating AI videos like this, and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.